Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Vishi's Academy. Today in this video we will discuss past continuous tense. So I have already taught you the tenses, the rest of the tenses, that is simple past tense and all the present tenses. Now we will discuss past continuous tense. So what is a past continuous tense? When do we use it? We use past continuous tense to talk about the things, to talk about the actions that happened in the past at some time but had not finished yet. मतलब जो भी एक्शंस पास्ट में हो चुके होते हैं किसी टाइम पे पास्ट में और लेकिन वो अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं हुए होते हैं, उनके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. So like present tenses, this tense also has some rules. So let us discuss the rule 1. The rule 1 is for positive sentence. The rule is noun or pronoun. First we will write noun or pronoun plus helping verb was plus base form of the verb plus ing. Now let us take an example. Rama was cooking. Now in the sentence you can see that Rama is a singular noun. Rama is only, we are talking about only one person. Rama is a noun. And was is a helping verb. So I have discussed in the rule that for singular nouns we use was and the base form of the verb is cook plus ing. So Rama was cooking. Now in the second sentence he was reading. Now you can see that we use he for the noun, for singular nouns. This is a pronoun. For pronouns which are used for singular nouns we use was. As I taught you in the rule, was read. Read is the base form of the verb plus ing. So he was reading. Now the third sentence is I was writing. I is used for singular person, single person. So I was, write is the base form of the verb, write ing. I was writing. Now for plural noun we use noun plus were. Were is used for plural nouns or the pronouns which are used for plural nouns plus base form of verb plus ing. For example, Ramesh and Suresh were studying. Now Ramesh and Suresh, we are talking about two persons. Ramesh and Suresh were. Were, I taught you for plural sentences we use were. So we are talking about two persons. So we use were studying. Study is the first form of the verb plus ing. Ramesh and Suresh were studying. Now second sentence you. I have taught you that we used you as a plural. So you were helping. Help is the base form of the verb plus ing. You were helping. Now third sentence is they. We use they for plural nouns. They is a pronoun. They were playing. Play is the base form of the verb plus ing. They were playing. Now students, we will discuss the rules for negative sentences. So first for singular noun or pronoun plus was. Now I have taught you that in positive sentences we use the helping verb was. Similarly in negative sentences for singular nouns we use the helping verb was plus not plus base form of the verb plus ing. For example, Rama was not cooking. Now Rama, we are talking about singular person, only about one girl. Rama is a noun. Rama was. The helping verb is was. Since it is a singular noun, so we use the helping verb was. Plus not. Since it is a negative sentence, so we will add not plus base form of the verb cooking plus ing. Rama was not cooking. Second sentence, he was not reading. Now he is a pronoun we use for singular nouns. So he was. Since it is a sentence in which we are talking about only one person, only one boy, so he was not. Since it is a negative sentence, so we will add not plus base form of the verb, that is read plus ing. He was not reading. Third sentence, I was not reading. I have already taught you that we are talking about only one person, only about myself. So I was, negative sentence है तो हम ऐड करेंगे not plus base form of the verb read plus ing. For plural we use were. So example, Ramesh and Suresh were not studying. Now in this sentence we are talking about two persons. For plural nouns we use were. Since it is a negative sentence, so we will add not. Base form of the verb study plus ing. Rama and Suresh were not studying. Similarly, you, I have taught you in the previous example that you is counted as a plural noun. It is a pronoun. You were not helping. They were not playing. Since these sentences we are talking about negative sentences, so we have added not with the helping verb. Now, next we will discuss interrogative sentences. Now, the rules for interrogative sentences are those sentences in which we ask questions. So, for singulars, first we will use the helping verb. सिंगुलर में हम सबसे पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ करेंगे, दैट इज़ वॉज प्लस नाउन प्रोनाउन प्लस बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस ing and at the last we will put the question mark. Why? Because it is an interrogative sentences. Or we can write question words like what, which, question words plus was plus noun pronoun plus base form of the verb plus ing and plus at the last question mark. So examples are, was Rama cooking? Now in this sentence we are talking about only one person, that is Rama. So we have put first, since it is a interrogative sentences, तो सबसे पहले हमने इसलिए क्या लगाया है, helping verb was Rama cooking. Now cook is the base form of the verb and we have added ing, so cooking, and at the last we have put the question mark. So was Rama cooking? Now the second example, what was Rama doing? I have taught you that we can also write first the question word. So what is a question word? Now was, we are talking about only one person, that is Rama. It is a singular noun. So was Rama doing? Do is the base form of the verb plus ing and at the last we have put the question mark. Similarly in plural, first we will put the helping verb, that is were plus noun pronoun plus base form of the verb plus ing and at the last question mark. Or we can say first we will put the question word plus were plus noun pronoun plus base form of the verb plus ing and at the last question mark. So example is, were Ramesh and Suresh studying? Now in this sentence we are talking about two persons, Ramesh and Suresh, so it is a plural noun. And so since it is a plural noun, so we will use the helping verb were, and it is an interrogative sentence. So first we will put the helping verb, we will use the helping verb. So were Ramesh and Suresh studying? Study is the base form of the verb plus ing and at the last we have put the question mark. Similarly, what is a question word, and we are talking about two persons, Ramesh and Suresh, or we can say that they is a pronoun which we use for plural nouns. So what were they? Do is the base form of the verb plus ing, so doing, and at the last we have put the question mark. So what were they doing? So students, this is all about the past continuous tense. I hope you have understood it very well, and still you have any query, you can comment me in the comment section given below. Thank you. Take care.